Alright, we're going to continue our discussion about the area of different shapes. Next is the triangle. Here we have a triangle. And again, the first thing we want to do is look for what is the formula for area of a triangle. So our formula for area of a triangle, I'm going to look again in my cheat sheet book. We can see that it's base times height divided by 2. Or another way to say that is 1/2 base times height. Remember, multiplying something by 1/2 is the same as dividing it by 2. It's going to get you the same thing. So that's our formula for area. Let's try, I'm going to write it here to the side. Let's try base times height over 2 first. So here we have our triangle, and it has a base. Remember, the base is the bottom of the triangle, the thing that it's sitting on. It has a base of 6 centimeters, and it has a height, distance from the bottom to the top, of 8 centimeters. So following our formula here, again we're trying to find the area. Let's multiply the base times the height. So we're going to have 6 times 8, 6 times 8, or 8 times 6, either way. I'm going to get you the same answer. And that's all over 2. Remember, the reason why the formula for area of a triangle is over 2 or multiplied by 1/2 is because the area of a triangle is exactly 1/2 the area of a square or a rectangle. So that's why we want to cut it in half or divide it by 2. Alright, so here we have 6 times 8 over 2. And we're going to get back into our, knowing our order of operations. What do we do first? We do 6 times 8, which we know is 48, over 2. So 48 divided by 2. I just know that, and it's 24. You could have done it long ways too. Let's do it off to the side. 48 divided by 2. How many times does 2 go into 4? 2 times. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. Bring down the 8. 2 goes into 8, 4 times. And there we have our answer. Alright, and remember we want to use proper labeling. So here we have centimeters. And since it's an area problem, we're going to express it in centimeters squared because we've multiplied to get our answer. So our answer is 24 centimeters squared. Let's try it another way. Let's see if we can find area using the other formula, which is 1/2 base times height. Let's see, just as an experiment, to see if we come up with the same answer. Let's prove that dividing by 2 is the same as multiplying by 1/2. Alright? So again, area equals 1/2 base times height, which in this case is 6 times 8. Alright. So we have area equals 1/2 of 48. That's our multiplication. So 1/2 times 48. Well, if you put 48 over 1, using our rules of multiplication and multiplying fractions, we multiply straight across. 1 times 48 is 48. And on bottom we have 2 times 1 is 2, which is exactly the same thing as we have up here. Now we have 48 divided by 2, which again is 24 square centimeters. So there you have it. That is area of a triangle.